One of the other ones we did is copy an angle. So I've got my angle A here, and we're going to go ahead and copy that. Again, I need a place to copy it to. So I'm going to create a point A anywhere on my paper. And I'm going to draw a quick little line just to say, hey, I'm going to put my angle on this line. You know what? I know that line's going to be in whatever I want, so I'm going to create it right there. So that's going to be one of my sides of my angle. To copy the angle, we go back. Let's call this A prime because that's going to be a new one, right? So I'm going to set my compass up at the vertex of my angle. So set up at my vertex, and I'm going to make sure I get an opening that's going to be an arc that goes through both sides. I want an arc going through both sides of the angle. Oh, now notice I missed my angle here. That's perfectly fine. You can always extend sides. So I'm going to extend that side to make it a little longer. There we go. I'm going to use that same measurement over here. So at A prime, I'm doing the same measurement. Hey, it might run into this, and that's okay. So I'm going to do a big measurement here. Ignore that. That's nothing. Maybe it'll run into something. I don't know. So we had 2 points. We've got this intersection point here and this intersection point up here. What I want to do, this intersection point is going to match this intersection. So there's B prime. Now what I want to do is measure from B to C. So I'm going to get my compass. I'm going to set up on B at my center. And I'm going to set my compass measurement to be at C. And I'm going to draw an arc right there. There we go. There's my measurement. I'm going to take that measurement down here to B prime. So I'm going to move my compass down to B prime and draw an arc. Aha. So now I can see this green arc intersects the pink arc right there. That's my point C prime. And I can connect those dots. Okay. So connecting A prime to C prime. There we go. We just copied that angle. Again, just like I've done on all the others, let's also look at that in delta math. Okay. So delta math, same idea. I'm going to take my, okay, there's where we're copying it to, V prime. Be careful, read carefully. I want this to be exactly 2 blue rays. So our final answer is going to be using rays. So you know what? I'm going to start with a ray to V, just like I did last time. I did that blue line on the drawing. There we go. So there's my first ray. Now I need my compass. I'm going to center at V and give some sort of opening. Doesn't matter how big. And I'm going to use my pencil to draw an arc through that opening. Make sure you connect both sides of the angle. Grab my compass and move it over to V prime. And again, I'm going to do an arc. I'm going to do a pretty good size arc because I don't know where that angle is going to go. So now I need to connect from this point to that point. Okay, so I'm going to take my compass back over to the low point. I'm going to grab the opening on my compass and drag it all the way over to there. And I'm going to draw my arc. That was the pink arc we drew in our drawings. Grab my compass center again and come over to the intersection there and draw the arc. Okay, I've got my X. Let's get my ray, connect V to the point, and I think we got it. Let's submit that answer. Yes, I'm sure. And there we go. Good. Keep practicing.